What's up, everyone? This is James from Locking the Value and CopyMyCrypto.com, talking to you today about the wonderful world of crypto. I'm going to look at what's happening in the market, particularly with a word of caution for anyone trading at the moment. Before I do, this spreadsheet, as always, is updated. These are the first 26 coins I spoke about on the channel that I thought would smash it in this bull market. If you'd invested $100 into each one, you'd be up in profit $37,800. The Phantom is in yellow because I did a Udemy course saying it would be the best investment of the year. Currently, it is up 112 times in value, and all of this is off the back of a brutal sell-off that we're currently experiencing as a result of a billionaire plonker. I'm only in a few of these at the moment. The rest are in other projects that will do far greater gains during the bull cycle. If you're brand new to crypto, I highly recommend you check out Copy My Crypto. This makes the process completely easy for you. You can literally see what I'm doing and copy those investments and match those profits. Now, getting into the market. The word of warning at the moment, quite simply, is don't leverage trade. Just don't leverage trade. Over the weekend, $2.38 billion dollars worth of liquidations occurred as Bitcoin dropped to 43 grand. And right now, I think Bitcoin's at 42,500. This is off the back of a situation where Elon Musk is moving the market quite dramatically. Now, I'm not overly concerned about Musk in general, because fundamentally, the more he tweets, the less influential he'll be, right? At the moment, what we've seen is throughout the entire year, or the last year, really positive tweets, mostly about Doge, and the few times he's done negative tweets about Bitcoin or Ethereum, the market has really felt that. And we're in a situation now where he is saying whatever he wants with no regard to the repercussions, because he's not an idiot. He may act like one, but he knows exactly what he's doing. So when he tweets out something negative about Bitcoin, he knows the price is going to drop. Now, whether he's been situating that so Tesla can get more, or he can get more, or he can get more Doge at a better price, whatever it is, the market manipulation is there. But the word of warning for people at the moment is to be very, very cautious about doing any leverage trading whatsoever. If you're doing leverage trading, and if you're unfamiliar with leverage trading, that's probably a good thing right now. Don't do it. But if you're doing leverage trading, what it means is that you can end up getting liquidized as a result of a certain price point being hit. So if you let's say you long Bitcoin, if Bitcoin's priced and you whatever leverage you use, 10x, 20x, 5x, 2x, whatever leverage you use will have an impact on the on how your position or what price your position gets liquidated at. So the more leverage you use, the higher the price for liquidation, or lower if it's the reverse. And the reason I'm saying it, because I know there'll be people out there going, well, he's being negative, so we could short the market. And I know people will be thinking that. The problem we've got is you don't know what this guy's going to do. It takes literally one positive tweet from him right now, and the market will rebound. And you have to bear that in mind. At the moment, it doesn't look like he's going to throw out anything positive. He's been doing nonsense, bloody Twitter feuds with Michael Saylor about Bitcoin. But because you don't, unless you literally are Elon's friend and you know what he's going to tweet, I'm not even sure he does half the time. You got to bear in mind that right now his tweets are having the biggest impact on the market. That will lessen over time. Make no mistake about it. When the entire market is worth $10 trillion, or when Bitcoin is up to 100 grand, his tweets can have less of an impact. And the more he does them, the less impact they'll have. Right? Fundamentally, we've seen 120,000 plus Bitcoin bought in the last 30 days from institutions. So even with him throwing out his nonsense, institutions still believe in Bitcoin as a store of value. So institutions aren't leaving. People are getting scared and they're closing positions. And they're selling positions. Many at a loss now. Certainly, that's been the case with the many people that have ended up investing in Doge. These liquidations are brutal for a lot of people, and liquidations are a result of doing these long trades or these short trades. And you can bet on something. You could potentially bet on Bitcoin dropping more, or one of the other cryptocurrencies dropping more. But like I said, at the moment, we're sort of in a volatile situation where this guy can make a move on the market or move it just by himself. And if he throws out something positive tonight, any short you do is almost certainly going to get liquidated. If you do a long and he throws out another negative, the market could drop more. So if anyone's considering leverage trading right now, I would really, really, really not. Just simply not. Because unfortunately, his influence is staggering. There's no other word for it. And at the moment, the best course of action for anyone is look at what you've got. If you've got strong positions in strong cryptos, just hold steady, because this market's going to rebound. The bull run hasn't ended. When the bull run ends, you'll know it, because it will be a 50%, 60% drop overnight in a lot of the coins. It will be hard and it will be fast. These are 10% drops, 15% drops, 20% drops. It's crap to see. It's not nice to see on your portfolio, but because we know, if you know you're sitting in good projects, you just hold steady. This market's going to rebound. There's no doubt about it. What I personally hope is that I hope Twitter bans him. But beyond that, I sort of hope that he just continuously tweets about Bitcoin and Ethereum and crypto in general for the next week or so, just constantly, until his opinion becomes less valuable, because that's what will happen. You got to bear in mind, over the course of a year, he's done about 4 negative tweets, but they've been brutal when he's done them, and he knows what he's doing. But he seems to have turned a corner in terms of negativity at the moment, and that could be a problem for the market in the short term. So that is it from me today. Massive word of warning. Don't do any leverage trading. No longs, no shorts, because it takes one tweet in the opposite direction and the crypto will move so fast and so quickly that you will get liquidated. Like many people, like $2.4 billion worth of liquidations over a weekend because of him. And that won't just be traders, that will be regular Joes that have lost a lot. So just be careful, guys. If you are brand new to crypto, go onto Copy My Crypto and check it out. These are solid. This is a portfolio with solid coins that are going to do crazy runs in this market, and you want to get in on that. So check out Copy My Crypto. Anyway, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.